Welcome all. Myself Bharat. I'm gonna tell you about fluid mechanics and its properties. Fluid mechanics is a branch of science which deals with behavior of the fluids at the rest as well as in motion. Fluid mechanics can be divided into three divisions: hydrostatics, kinematics, dynamics. Hydrostatics that studies the machines of fluids at absolute and relative test. Kinematics deals with translation, rotation, and deformation of fluid without considering the force and energy causing such as motion. Dynamics that prescribes the relation between velocities and acceleration and the forces which are exerted by or upon the moving fluids. What is fluid? Matter exists in two principal forms: solid fluids. Fluids are further subdivided into liquid, gas. For all practical purposes, liquids and solids can be regarded incompressible. This means that pressure and temperature have practically no effect on them. Example: water, kerosene, petrol, etc. But gases are readily compressible fluids. They expand infinitely in the absence of pressure and contract easily under pressure. Example: air, ammonia, etc. A day full of fluid. You woke up in the morning and the room is cool. Coolant circulating inside it and cool air which it gives is fluid. After that, you washed your face at the sink. The water which comes at your tap is fluid and has come through the piping system which also come under fluid mechanics. After that, you decided to have your breakfast. The coolant moving inside the small pipes at the back of your refrigerator and the air are circulating inside it are both fluids. Fluids are connected with our daily life. After finishing your breakfast, you decided to do some cleaning before heading to the school. Proper suction of air and filtering the dust requires the knowledge of fluid mechanics. Now it's the time to go college. A mixture of fuel like petrol and air is forced by atmospheric pressure into the cylinder through the intake port. Before your class, you went to PC lab and took a print of your assignment. Inkjet printing are also involved in fluid mechanics. Significance of fluid mechanics. Design of wide range of hydraulic structures, dams, canals, and machinery, pump turbines. Fluid control devices, both pneumatic and hydraulic. Design and analysis of gas turbine, rocket engine, supersonic aircraft. Human circulatory system, the flow of blood in veins, and the pumping action of heart. Topic of this subject, which is very important for civil engineers. Model tests on civil engineering structures such as dams, canals to predict the working of full-size structure, and river models assist a civil engineer in the design of flood control structure as well as the analysis of sediment movement in rivers. Thank you for giving this opportunity.